So, Namaste guys, welcome to another session of the Hindu, connecting current affair with the static part. So we are today's newspaper, where is today's newspaper, November 25th, 2021. So on the very first page, we can see that Uttar Pradesh soars high on India's aviation map, world's fourth largest international airport to be constructed in Jewar, Noida, and it will give the international connectivity and the boost to economic growth of the West Uttar Pradesh region. So you can refer this with respect to the economic development in the Uttar Pradesh region. So coming on to the original page, the first page. Here we can see the center's free food green scheme on till March. So what you have to study that it is coming again in news. So Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. It is also mentioned in the article itself. And PDS scheme, the world's largest PDS scheme that has been run in India, and you can also refer the World Food Program, which recently get the Nobel Peace Prize, and its effort in Pakistan. You can not Pakistan, its efforts in Afghanistan. Uh, if you are reading this, you can also refer the Global Hunger Index, and you can write down in the comment section who publishes Global Hunger Index and what is the India's rank in this year's index. You can also refer the midday meal scheme and its role in promoting the right to education in India, so that you can refer from this article. Now coming on to second article, more hospital birth but limited gains in childhood nutrition. Actually, this article talks about that India's total fertility rate. You have to study what is total fertility rate, and it has dropped to 2.0. And you can also study what is called replacement level. Like 2.1 is called a replacement level, and it has been dropped below replacement level. So it means that India's population will start decreasing in future. You have to also refer which state have the less than 2.1 total fertility rate. Like in this article has given that urban TFR has been 1.6 and rural is 2.1. So you can read which state in India has less than 1 point less than 2.1 TFR, and which state has more than 2.1 TFR. So you can refer with this respect to this article, and also you can refer stunting and wasting, and also the hidden hunger with respect to the childhood nutrition. Uh, Coming on to the page number one itself, will you ban convicts from Paul? Asks Supreme Court. So what you can refer the section 8 of the CRPC, which talks about the criminalization of politics. With respect, you can refer Lily Thomas case and how the convicts are not allowed to contest election for some specific time period, and the famous Lily Thomas case judgment of 2013, and it's how it is instrumental in implementing the criminalization of politics in India. So coming on to the another article, trade unions want labor code repeal. So you have to refer it in detail. Like recently labor codes were amended recently, and you can write down in comment section that labor is part of which list. It is union list, state list, or concurrent list. And you can also refer the second National Commission on Labor in 2002 that recommended that the central labor laws should be integrated into groups like industrial relation, wages, social security, safety, welfare, and working condition. And you can also see that in 2019 the central government introduced 4 bills on labor codes to consolidate 29 central laws. And what were these? Like code on wages, industrial relation code, social security code, occupational safety, health and working condition. So you can refer these things as well. So coming on to the page number two. Page number two, there's an article, educational institution, government offices to reopen on Monday. So you can refer how education suffers because of COVID. But this article is talking about pollution, but you have to refer how education in India has been suffered because of the COVID. Especially the World Bank has said that India will lose around $400 billion due to the school closures. Why? Because certain uh, certain students will not get enough skills that they must have get while attending their school. So in future, India's GDP will suffer a great loss of around 400 to $450 billion. So you can study that as well, and its negative impact on gender equality. Like school dropouts have increased, and the national education policy in 2020, which was recently announced, and its target of achieving the low dropout rates, and you can refer these things as well. So special booths at dark spot to prevent crimes against women. You can refer this article with respect to the social security as well. This can be used as an example in question, like in means answer writing question. So that will be helpful. So coming on to the DDA scheme, 1500 flats up for grabs in DDA scheme. So you can refer the Delhi Master Plan 2041 as well, and DDA, Delhi Development Authority, and how it is affecting the third tier government, and conflicting in the areas of the third tier government, like how central government or state government over like interfere in the third tier government, which comes under third tier, should comes under third tier, but uh, these things bypass their power and their issues as well. Okay, so next news was street vendors. Next news was regarding street vendors. A short article. You can refer the Swanidhi scheme that was recently announced by the central government with respect to the street vendors scheme. So that is important. Now, High Court summons to Gupta in defamation case. What is important that you can refer Article 19 of the Fundamental Right and its limitations, reasonable restriction that has been put by Constitution itself on the fundamental rights. And you must remember that fundamental rights are not absolute in nature. They can be restricted and they can also be amended, as mentioned, as stated by the Supreme Court in the famous Keshavanand Bharti case. Like you can amend the fundamental rights, but you cannot change the basic structure of the constitution. Now coming on to the next news, the first train with Ayodhya pilgrims to leave city. Now what you have to study that theme based circuit trains and how they can contribute in increasing tourism and the economy as well. So recently you must be knowing that Ramayan circuit train has been launched, so you can refer these things as well. And also you can you can see that the right to freedom of religion and how government can government use the taxpayers money to promote the religion or not. You can write down in the comment section. So coming on to the page number 3, page number 3 is more about pollution. Now you can refer AQI and NNAQS again, that we had seen yesterday also, with respect to the pollutants, especially the pollutant that they use to measure the indexes. Now, this article is important. Tomato prices source, official to act against hoarder. So what we have to study, that Essential Commodity Act of 1955, and how it prevents certain items from hoarding at a certain time period, and also Operation Green, which was about earlier about tomato, onion, and potato, but recently it has been extended to all the vegetables, like, and it has been renamed as total. So coming on to the page number 4. Page number 4 is shortage of drugs. Yeah, shortage of drugs hit thalassemia patients. So what we have to study in this is Thalassemia Bal Seva Yojana for the underprivileged thalassemic patients, and the Homeopathic Stem Cell Transplantation HSCT program that was launched in 2017, and which was funded by the Coal India under corporate social responsibility. And you have to also study that one-time cure opportunity for hemoglobin hemoglobinopathies like thalassemia and sickle cell diseases, and for patients who have been who have a matched family donor. And with respect to this thalassemia Bal Seva Yojana, only those patients whose monthly family income is below 20,000 will be eligible for the assistance. So in the PDF you will get the detailed explanation also. So join the Telegram channel to get the PDF as well. So coming on to the page number 6. On page number 6, editorial was POXO shocker. Like you have to you can refer POXO Act as again, and the different interpretation by different high courts of the POXO Act you can study. So another important article was a pointer that India is witnessing a K-shaped recovery. So you have to refer other shapes of recovery as well, like V shape, W shape, Z shape, and K shape that is mentioned in the article itself. and you can also refer Gini coefficient and Lorentz curve, and also refer the Oxfam inequality report with respect to, and you must study what is K-shaped recovery, like certain countries get recovered fastly, and certain not countries, certain uh, certain companies get faster recovery, and certain companies lost their recovery path due to the some issues like pandemic or so. So on page number 7, a food crisis of the government's own making. Like this article talking about the ban on the chemical fertilizer recently, that you must be knowing that Sri Lanka had banned the chemical fertilizer to promote the organic farming. So with respect to this article, you can also refer the mixed farming and zero budget natural farming, and you can write down in the comment section that which Indian state is fully organic state, and which state has the highest area under organic farming, so that you can refer. So another article was a unified regulatory framework. So what you have to study in the concept of net neutrality, the recent OTT regulations that were brought recently in the January or February 2021. You can refer that as well with respect to this. Uh, in the page from the archives section of 100 years ago, this article talks about the Mopila revolt or Mopila riots of 1921. You can refer you can refer it in your history section, its leaders and the location where this revolt or riots takes place. What are the causes and what are the aftermath of the revolt? So that you can refer from your history notes. So page number 8. Page number 8, like India has said that India is the first responder in the Indian Ocean region. So with respect to this, what you can refer, Operation Vanilla, Operation Rahat, and other operations that has been carried by India to help the countries in the Indian Ocean region, especially the Sagar policy, security and growth of all in the region. And you can also refer some groupings like Indian Ocean Rim Association, Indian Ocean Commission. You can write down in comment section that is India a member of Indian Ocean Commission or not. You can also refer, when you are referring the Indian Ocean region, you can also refer the Diego Garcia Island and its dispute with the dispute between United Kingdom and Mauritius. You can also refer Seychelles Assumption Islands and their location, and also refer the India's Deep Ocean Mission and the role of International Seabed Authority in India's Deep Ocean Mission. So coming on to the next news, Bangladesh Pact example of mutual respect. So what you can study in this article, that you can refer the what is enclave and what is exclave. With respect to this, you can refer Berubari case in 1959 and 1960 and its role in the preamble, deciding that whether preamble is a part of Indian constitution or not. So coming on to the page number 9, what Mamata Banerjee had said to Prime Minister, that don't disturb federalism. That is not important article from the UPSC point of view. What is important, that you have to study what is uh, in which case that federalism was declared as a basic structure of the Indian constitution. As we know that federalism is a part of basic structure, and you can write down in comment section that is India federal or unitary, or some special case that has been um, named by the KC Viere, a special name that has been given by KC Viere to the Indian constitution. It is not federal, it is not unitary. You can write down in comment section. So another important article is 12 Congress MLAs joined Trinamool in Meghalaya. So that is very important with respect to the when you are studying anti-defection law, 10th schedule, 52nd constitutional amendment, and what are the exemptions under anti-defection law. So that all. Coming to the next news, MSP law required to tide over farm crisis. So what is important to know, that you can refer always refer what is MSP, what is Swaminathan formula when you see the MSP term in the article, and you for mains point of view, you can refer, is it economically viable to have a guaranteed MSP? Like India has not enough resources, and Indian government has not enough resources to guarantee the MSP law, and if MSP is guaranteed, then will it not encourage the monoculture? Like we have seen that certain states are only growing wheat and rice. Why? Because the MSP is guaranteed on the wheat and rice, and other food crops are neglected in that area, which is causing the negative effect on the environment as well and on the market forces as well. So coming on to the page number 10. Coming on to the page number 10, tension brewing on the Assam and Arunachal border. You can see tension brewing on the Assam and Arunachal border, dispute with Meghalaya to be resolved. What you can study in this article, like recently, Assam and Mizoram had also some tension border issues that has been arised in the Kachar region of the Assam. So you can refer the formation of states in the northeastern region, how and when the states has been formed in the northeastern region. And with respect to this, you can also study the inner line permit, the sixth schedule, etc., and which states comes under ILP and which states comes under sixth schedule, and write down in comment section that which state comes under both ILP as well as the sixth schedule. So coming on to the page number 11, Chinese firms eye Afghanistan lithium. So we can see that Afghanistan is a natural rich resource, very rich in natural resources. So when lithium word has been lithium word has come in news, that you have to refer what is lithium triangle, which countries comes under lithium triangle. Go and check in the map section. In the South America, they comes in South America, but you have to see the countries as well as their locations. So the next news was about the Sri Lanka cabinet clears China's role in terminal project. So what you have to study that the joint venture of India and Japan in Colombo port. Also, you can refer the string of pearls policy, how China is acquiring ports in the Indian Ocean region to counter the India's hegemony in the Indian Ocean region. So the next news is about US president invites Taiwan to online meet on democracy. So it is all about democracy summit. You can see that Turkey, China and Russia are not invited, but they are expected. But Bangladesh and Sri Lanka are also not invited. It is a shock, and the bigger shock is Pakistan is being invited in a democracy summit, but Bangladesh and Sri Lanka are not. So that is a blunder done by the Joe Biden. You can refer that as well. So the next news was about Anderson becomes the first woman prime minister of Sweden. This is important for some small exams like state PSC or some SSC examination that can be asked. You can read that as well. So coming on to the page number 12, the cryptocurrency ban. The article is talking about cryptocurrency ban. Uh, we had seen this in detail in yesterday's video. You can refer that yesterday's video. You can get some incisive content. And El Salvador, the first country to accept Bitcoin as legal tender. So for the detailed information, you can refer the yesterday's video. In the first page itself, I think, yes, in the first page I had talked about. You will get get about cryptocurrency in detail in the first few minutes only. So coming on to the next page, next article, RBI must aid growth by staying accommodative. So you have to refer the Monetary Policy Committee. What was Urjit Patel Committee? The types of monetary policy, like ease money policy, tight money policy, or accommodative money policy. You can all refer from your static notes. So the next news is about airport to attract 90,000 crore in investment over 5 years. So you have to study this article. This article is important with respect to the investment in India, and especially the role of private sector in boosting the infrastructure in India as well. So Niti Aayog for full stack digital banking. So you can study its role in financial inclusion. You can also refer the digital lending and its issues in India. What are the stance of RBI on the digital lending and how it is being dealt in India. So the next news is about transitional digital tax. So you can refer the digital tax. What is digital tax? 2% equalization levy that has been put by India, and also refer the GAFA tax of France. One more thing you can refer is the BEPS, base erosion and profit shifting, and the DTA, double tax avoidance agreement, and the recent G7 resolution on the global minimum tax. So that is important for in this article. So coming on to the page number text and context, what you have to read is this article, falling back on the reserves to tilt the scale. This article talks about the strategic petroleum reserve that India is using. Uh, for the fight against OPEC countries to reduce the global oil prices, and how it is beneficial in the beneficial for India, and how what is its negative impacts on India. Like we can see that China has the petroleum reserves of around 90 days, and but India has only around 8 to 10 days petroleum reserve, and how it is a sign of worry for India. So another article, the need for a proper pre-legislative consultation policy. That is an important article. You can read this article. And also the shaky foundation of the labor law reforms that we have seen on the first page itself. You can also refer this article as well. So that was all from today's newspaper, 25th November. If you like our content initiative, please like the video, share it with your friends. It will help us. Thank you.